So we're currently standing at the stadium platform, what we call the Rice Interlocking, right at Rice-Eccles Stadium. An interlocking is basically all the track work, all the signal components, switches, machines that allows trains to cross from one track to the other. We use interlockings a lot, especially during game days, to bring more trains in, switch them from one track to the other. It allows us to move passengers in and out of football games, special events up at the U of U a lot quicker. That's your diamond right in the middle, and then you can see the different tracks. So you could go straight, you could come over and cross over to there. An interlocking is very complicated because you have multiple switch points. So it has the diamond in the middle, allows your other track to cross over. So basically like a big X. You have 4 switch machines. Those are the actual switch points and machines that move the point rails from left to right. You have power, signal, you got drainage right here. You have a big drain, and there'll be a track drain that goes basically from rail to rail and catch any water coming down the guideway. Also, with this system, when it was put in, we had a lot of pooling of water, and so it would settle in the switch machines and what they call the garages of the switch points. And so we had a lot of maintenance upkeep with it. After about 25 years of use, it was definitely time to replace it, especially since it's one of our higher used interlockings. What they're connecting, those are the switch machines. It will control this rail point left or right, and that allows that train, it forces it over, to one rail the other as it comes through. 450 East, we're doing basically the same thing. We're powering it up. In the current state it is in right now, it's an embedded track work, and every time that operations needs to make a special movement, they had to have a maintenance of way personnel out on site that had to manually move that switch back and forth. With it having power and indication back to control, is they'll be able to basically hit a switch and it will move those points for them and allow the train movement. We are moving to a direct fixation track work, kind of like we did on the S-curve, where it's all exposed track. You're not going to have the concrete chipping out, rusting out. With replacing it, now we don't have those issues. They can have that reliability back that they need to move customers, and the confidence that customers can have in UTA about being able to move them from point A to point B.